Established in 2008, Weibong Aluminum is a manufacturer and trader who specializes in manufacturing and development of high-quality aluminum products. With 5 extruding lines, 2 powder coating lines, several anodizing tanks, and sandblasting equipments, we can satisfy your demands for aluminum frames quickly from our existing shapes and colors, or produce your own design. We have expanded our product range to Italian Minimalist aluminum glass home storage system, aluminum photo frames, aluminum framed mirrors. As we have years of experience with aluminum products, we know how to control quality from very beginning process. We can guarantee good material, good surface finish, and good joints, and provide you stylish products. Our main market is the North America, Europe, Australia, Mideast area, and the Southeast Asia. We have most of the certificates for different market to meet your needs. We offer OEM and ODM service. We can also make small quantity order, no matter you buy for retail, hotel projects, apartment projects, residence house. We can help you get the most suitable products. If you are new in this business, we would try our best to help you grow big. We offer logistics service. You can get the goods easily without any worries. We take great pride in our long-time commitment to superior quality and impeccable customer service, and dedicated in creating products for every home.